So, what is the Azure Video Indexer or Azure Media Services Video Indexer? Basically, it is an Azure-based resource which allows you to extract deep insights of your videos. Uh, you can get information such as um, the people which are in the video. You can get the emotions or sentiments which are found in the video. Uh, you can get the brands which are found also in your video, uh, the entities, locations, things that are recognized like that, uh, topics, some labels, keywords. I mentioned brands already. Um, you can also get or generate an automatic transcript based on your video's audio. So it allows you to get a lot of interesting information from your video. Uh, we are going to see that. Actually, we already saw some of examples of that in the widgets when we were displaying the introduction to this course. Um, and yeah, we are going to do a portal similar to it with support with Azure Business to Consumer Authentication, so you can create whatever video portal you want to create for your users. You can use it for company trainings um, with support for keywords and with the searches. So we are going to implement it in this course, so your users can easily find information based on those keywords. You could also uh, generate some tag cloud or something like that, so your users click on a tag, and then the search runs automatically over that tag, and users can see the videos related to the tag they clicked on. So yeah, that's what Azure Media Services Video Indexer allows you. You can also customize things such as the people models. Uh, you can add like people. You can add photos from them, and you can identify. Okay, you put a name to the person. You upload some of the photos for that person. You can group all that over a category for, I don't know, let's say football players, basketball players, tennis players, things like that. And then when you index the video, you can choose over which group the faces are going to be identified, or to which group they are going to be saved to. Uh, there are already a lot of pre-existing um, people that it can be found, celebrities, mostly people who are somehow famous, but you can customize it as I was saying. So we'll see how to do that in future videos. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the course. Have a great day.